to present the Corporate Achievement Award. Please join me in welcoming the Senior Vice President and Corporate Controller of Hughes and EchoStar Company, Thomas J. McElroy.
Well, thank you. The Corporate Achievement Award is presented to an individual or company that demonstrates leadership, innovation, commitment, and good corporate citizenship here in Montgomery County and beyond. The awardee makes a significant and lasting contribution to the local economy and to the community, has set consistently high standards for financial performance, sound management, sustained growth over a period of many years. Clearly, a very high standard of expectation. Tonight, we want to recognize a company that's been in business for over 100 years, which is truly a remarkable feat. Headquartered here in Bethesda, Maryland, Lockheed Martin is a leading global security and aerospace company that has approximately 120,000 employees worldwide. And it is principally engaged in the research, design, development, and manufacturing, integration, and sustainment of advanced technology systems, products, and services, a broad wealth of commercial activities. Lockheed Martin also plays an active role in helping to strengthen the quality of our life in the country, in Montgomery County, and the communities where its employees work and live. Lockheed Martin is an active supporter of the Chamber and the government contracting network, and was also an inspiration behind the Veteran Institute for Procurement. It was established in 2009. The VIP is the nation's only program to enhance the ability of veteran-owned and service-disabled veterans, small businesses, to win federal contracts. We're pleased to celebrate Lockheed Martin's major milestones of success, and we're especially proud to work with them as a business associate, a supporter of our community, and a distinguished member of the Chamber. We are pleased to present the Corporate Achievement Award to Lockheed Martin Corporation, and now invite you to turn your attention to watch this video entitled Accelerating Tomorrow. It's humbling to see the changes in technology, and Lockheed Martin was right there. Accepting on behalf of Lockheed Martin, please join me in welcoming Lockheed Martin's Executive Vice President of Mission Systems and Training, Mr. Dale Bennett.
Wow, I still get goosebumps when I see that video. So, well, thank you for the wonderful introduction, Tom, and I appreciate the opportunity to spend the evening with you all. On behalf of all the Lockheed Martin employees around the world, and especially here in Montgomery County, I'd like to thank you, the Chamber, for this great honor. As you saw in the video, Lockheed Martin is celebrating our centennial year. Just like many of the businesses here tonight, we began as a small business, building wooden biplanes out in California. Today, Lockheed Martin is one of the world's leading global security and aerospace companies, with sales over $46 billion, 120,000 employees worldwide, and facilities in 75 countries. We have called Maryland and Montgomery County home for almost 85 years. Glenn Martin moved his company from California to Middle River, Maryland in 1928, and Bethesda became our corporate headquarters for the Martin Marietta in 1961, and the merger of Glenn Martin and America Marietta. Bethesda remained our headquarters when Martin Marietta merged with Lockheed Corporation in 1995 to become what is today Lockheed Martin. We've come a long way since those first days in California by focusing on innovation, performance, and an unwavering sense of purpose. We've helped our customers achieve goals that many thought were impossible. And we don't last 100 years unless you focus on the future and evolve and reinvent yourself to stay one step ahead of the rapidly changing world. And that's why we're optimistic about the next 100 years. Today, we're already shaping the future by tackling some of our world's most pressing problems, including doing some exciting work here in Maryland. For example, our global and cybersecurity facility here in Montgomery County, Governor O'Malley joined Bob Stevens in opening the Next Gen Cyber Innovation and Technology Center in Gaithersburg in 2009. In the area of energy, we're working on alternative and renewable energy initiatives such as bio, tidal, wave, and ocean thermal energy conversion up in Middle River and Baltimore. In healthcare, along with Johns Hopkins University, we're developing the intensive care unit of the future. To ensure a second century of success, though, one of the biggest challenges is developing a pipeline to provide an innovative and creative and talented workforce. Over the last 100 years, the United States has been the greatest country in the world, thanks in large part to our technical and technological innovations. Today, with the advent of the technology age, the need for science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM workers, has never been greater, yet the United States is falling behind the rest of the world in producing STEM-educated workforce. According to the U.S. Congress Joint Economic Committee, among countries and organizations for economic cooperation and development, the U.S. ranks 17 on the standardized science score for 15-year-olds, 25th on standardized math scores, and 27th in the number of STEM graduates as a percentage of all bachelor degree equivalents. This is a disturbing trend for technology and engineering companies like Lockheed Martin and for our country as a whole. Lockheed Martin is joining with other like-minded companies, educators, and government leaders around the country, and especially here in Montgomery County, to change that. 50% of our corporate giving goes towards education with heavy emphasis on STEM. For example, so far in 2012, we've contributed more than $1.1 million in education initiatives in Maryland, including more than $900,000 of that in the STEM activities. Lockheed Martin supports national initiatives like the National Math and Science Initiative and Project Lead the Way. This year, we donated $1 million to expand Project Lead the Way to enhance STEM education for 48,000 students in 49 schools across the country, including 3 public schools here in Montgomery County. Through our own engineers and classroom program, employees go out to schools all across the country to show students how fun and exciting engineering can be. We work with individual school systems, such as the Work for Global Training and Logistics business, and doing with Montgomery County Business Roundtable for education and Montgomery Public School System, and we provided a Montgomery County with an algebra teacher professional developmental tool a number of years ago. Our role in pioneering aviation, turning the tide in World War II, and winning the space race made Lockheed Martin famous, but our employees and the innovation and inspiration has been what's got us here today and will get us into the future. We must make sure that the greatness of our country's workers continues. We must ensure that our education system produces a workforce that has the skills necessary to keep the United States at the top of an ever-increasing, more competitive world. On behalf of Lockheed Martin's 120,000 employees, thank you again for honoring us with this Corporate Achievement Award. For the past 100 years, we've been committed to solving our customers' most difficult challenges. We're equally as excited about the next 100 years, and we're proud of our contributions to our country, our community, and our home here in Montgomery County.